Hey guys, welcome back to Widget Wednesday. I'm Matt. Today we're talking about fantastic fans. We have a few different options. We're going to talk about the 3350 model. Fantastic fans are designed to replace the roof vent in your RV. So you're going to take out that old roof vent, pop one of these guys in. This is a massive fan. We're going to take it out of the box in just a minute here, but this is a really big fan that moves a ton of air. Some of the models are remote controlled, some are rain sensors, some either pull air out, push air in. Okay, so we have a ton of different options here for you. Let's take a look at what it actually looks like here. Okay, now it's a pretty standard size. Most roof vents are 14 by 14. Okay, so this is going to fit in pretty much every roof vent out there. But you can see all the different controls that we have here. Really high powered fan, okay? So take the heat out of the camper this summer. We are running specials on installs. Here's our install pricing that we have in our book. You can come by and pick one of these up if you're interested. $50 off an install if you come by this week and either schedule an appointment or have it done, or $25 off the product itself. Okay, we're doing that for the whole week here. If you have any questions about the different models that we have, just give us a call. 716-694-0188. We're here in the parts department. Thanks.